Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Air8 Arch. We had them both out at the same time, so we decided we're going to do it at the same time. Here's our Air8 double arch. Here's our Air8 for your front door. Here's our Air8 single arch for your back door or your kitchen door. That's why we have a single and a double, so you guys can put all these things together and have beautiful doors everywhere. One of our favorite doors, super timeless design. This will last 10 times longer than a wooden door or a fiberglass door. You don't have to refinish it. It's solid metal, it's 12 gauge steel. You have dual glazed glass, so it's nice and energy efficient. You have the foam inside. These doors also do come in a flat and a full arch if you like. And yeah, it's amazing. They both have the kick panels on the bottom, that's helmet, walking away. I think it's a great door for the price and also the design, though you'll never, it'll last a lifetime. It's an amazing design, I think. Simple. Let me flip these guys around and I'll show you guys how the back end of these things look. All right, everyone, we're on the back side of the Air8s. Notice the kick plates, they duplicate from the front to the back. They both have the squares in it. Again, some people, you don't have to use these for the back house or the kitchen door or the back door. You can still use these for the front, but we have all the different variances, so you can actually add multiple doors to the house if you like. I'll show you guys how the glass opens. Basically just untwist these knobs. Glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean. Also, if you like to, on a custom order, you can also add a screen, so you can use it for ventilation if you like. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Pretty simple door, awesome design. This is a good, it's a good door to get if you feel like some of the scrolly stuff and some of the other stuff are not within your taste. This is a good neutral door that you can put pretty much on any kind of house you like. Consider this as our little Switzerland door. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysIrondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.